What's up YouTube, welcome to NOOBINDROID. Today I'm sharing you all a tutorial on how to make your own stickers and use them on WhatsApp. So your main stickers will look like this. You can use the photos of your gallery or you can download them from Pinterest as I do. Open Pinterest, just go search, type anything. Like if I want photos of Zendaya, you search Zendaya and I have the photos of her. You can just press on these three dots and download image, and your image will be going into your gallery. So you'll be needing an app called sticker.ly. It's available on Play Store. Just go Play Store, here with sticker.ly. There it is. Use your app, just open it. At start it will look like this. You can download preloaded stickers here and just add them to WhatsApp. But if you want to make your own stickers, just tap the plus button and select whatever photo you need. Just crop it how much you need. Yep, now you can add text if you want, hi or anything like emoji or something like this emote here. Press next and it will take some time to save your sticker. You can add to your pack, just new pack, type the name of your sticker. I'm typing YouTube and the creator's name will come here. You can type any name you want. Allow search or no, it's your choice. Just create. It will create a sticker pack and you can add as much stickers as you can. So I'm making another sticker of this. This is a funny image. You will need minimum of 3 stickers to make a pack, so we're making 3. This is the second one, and here we go, the final one. We'll make this. So after adding the stickers to your pack, you can add to WhatsApp. It will say, would you like to add your WhatsApp? You can say yes. YouTube has been added to WhatsApp. Cool. Now just open your WhatsApp and into the stickers you have your pack. You can send it to whom you like and enjoy your life, man. This has been NOOBINDROID. Thank you for watching. Peace.